Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Cache in King Legacy step by step. Open King Legacy and load into the world, then locate the Kraken Cache spawn points near shorelines and islands. Equip a fast mobility build to reach caches faster, and keep an eye on glowing icons that indicate interactable caches. Approach each cache, press the interact key, and collect loot and XP rewards while avoiding hostile mobs nearby. Locate Kraken Cache spawn areas by scanning docks, beaches, and nearby islands where caches commonly appear. Use a map overlay or community-made markers to mark frequent spawn points so you can return faster on subsequent runs. Plan a looped route that moves fluidly between spawns so you minimize downtime and maximize cache collection. Stay alert for enemy players and NPCs, and adjust your path if a cache is already taken or guarded. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides for King Legacy players. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It pairs nicely with long grind sessions or awkward loot runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Interact with the Kraken Cache prompt as soon as you reach it to instantly collect loot and small XP bonuses that scale with difficulty. If multiple caches appear, prioritize the higher value ones to boost reward per minute and reduce wasted runs. Manage duplicates by selling or trading to convert loot into better gear or currency, and keep inventory space free so you never miss a spawn while traveling your route across the map.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.